welcome to my kitchen, and I'm gonna show you today a super simple, usually I have this for my first meal of the day. It's super hydrating and wonderful, and I love it. So I love bananas, y'all already know that. So I have my solar panels in here, so I'm super stoked because I get to make smoothies, and smoothies are awesome. So this is my Nutri-Bullet. You can drink right out of the cup, and it has the blades. So I just take my banana, break it apart with my hands, clean, sanitize your hands before handling the fruit if you can. Just peel them up. If you can, just put your compost, your banana scraps in the earth so you can feed the bugs and the soil. So I'm gonna put those over there in my compost later. And then I do 2 medjool dates with my 2 bananas. Next, I'm gonna do a full can of organic coconut water. This water, there's no sugar added, so that's super good because there's natural fructose sugar in coconuts and fruits in general. So coconuts are so good. They have vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, all sorts of good stuff. All right, and then next I'm just gonna put a dash of ground cinnamon. And then I made my own protein powder. This is like a meal replacement right here. So what I added in this mixture, it's way less expensive than buying these organic Garden of Life raw vegan meals. I use some of this, a scoop of this, chlorella powder, and then a little bit of cacao, not too much. And then I'm just going to take 2 heaping spoonfuls of this powder. And that's it. And then it's optional if you want to add a manzana or not. I'm not going to add an apple. I'll probably not. Not right now. I'm just not feeling it. And then there's a little bit more room until the max line, so I'm going to take some of my water, spring water, and just a little splash. Perfect. And then I'll blend it up, let y'all know how it tastes today. So this is how much came out. I'm so excited to drink it. I love drinking with a bamboo straw and just stirring it up and just savoring every little bit of nutrients. And thank you so much, Pachamama, for growing these divine fruits that make me feel so divine and uplifted. And I thank you for this hydration so I can live another day just energized and capable to do what I love to do. And thank you to the nourishing soils, the water, wind, earth, fire, and ether. Thank you so much, nature, for making this all possible so I can live and love and share love through these nutrients. Yeah. Salud, cheers to health and abundance and magic in a cup. So this is basically a green juice. It came out that way, so I love it so much. It's so good. I could have this. I have been having this every day. All right, well, enjoy the rest of your day and namaste.